Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Hugh back in another unboxing video. It's been a long time. Today we're opening in Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro, and as you guys can see right here, here's my previous Viper V3 Pro that's coming out from last year. It's one of the best mice when playing CS or valorant. I got it straight from Hong Kong. It's kind of weird because I'm still in New Zealand right now, and the student lives here right now. First off, I received it early this morning from DHL. Shout out to DHL. As usual, there's a wrap. Let's get this bad boy open up. And one fact I want to talk about is one of the box kind of different from the Viper V3 Pro to the DeathAdder V4 Pro. I was hoping the V3 Pro to get a little bit bigger, but like, come on, it's DeathAdder. I think Viper is the main line of the mice. I think like the king of Razer right now, but like DeathAdder get a bigger box. I don't know why. Let's do the unboxing right now. There you go, once more at the box. Razer DeathAdder V4 Pro with the new dongle. The previous old dongle, I think a lot of saying is too light. I get that problem too. Is like when you place it on your desk, it's moving around a lot. And we'll compare it later with the new dongle. Number one mouse. There you go. The new Viper V4, oh not Viper. I was hoping, when will the Viper V4 coming out? I think maybe like a few months later. Ooh, actually feel really nice. First off, the box, comparing with the V3 Pro. Let's get this two baby out, and also you get as usual the wire to place it on the dongle, and the sticker, I think. Damn, it's a really long time since I did my last video. It's not giving. Hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this is what you get off the box right here. All the for the Pro and all the stuff as usual from Razer, and a manual of the DeathAdder V4, which you get, and the V3. You know, it's kind of weird. You even get like a small booklet than the V4, and as usual the sticker. This is from the V3 Pro, and they make a little bit change. I don't know, just for the DeathAdder or the whole Razer series. The two sticker right here. And I'll compare it with the old Super Light 2, which I have been using since a very long time. After the Razer V3 Pro from last year. And also the 3M grip for the V4 Pro. Let's get this aside and let's do some tests. It's the back of the DeathAdder V4 Pro. Two main character right here, the V3 and the V4. I hope the V4 Pro is coming out real soon because I'm very excited. It's gonna get the V4 on, and I hope there will be even more like changing between the Viper series. Damn, the click is even better than the V3 Pro, not gonna lie. And I think the V3 and the DeathAdder 4 in the Razer series is for bigger hand. Before I get like a smaller hand, so but I think it's worked alright for me in valorant. Oh, but actually, DeathAdder get a really good feeling. and I think have a better grip than the black one. Let's listen to the click. This is from the DeathAdder V4 Pro. This is from the Viper V3 Pro. DeathAdder V4 vs V3. Oh, the click from here is really nice between the two. Get like a more clear, sharp voice sound. And the side button. Actually, the side button I think is similar, but the DeathAdder get a bigger shape that's implanted in the V3 Pro. And as for the dongle, it's getting a bit really heavy and with a like a bowl shape right here. Look really nice, especially with the white variant. Pops out more with the Razer logo, comparing with the type of pulling wireless, the old dongle from Razer. Comment down below which one you guys think is better, the old one or the new one. The new one actually get like 3 more like special like a lightning from, I think it's from like your connection or like your power or even the I forget for the last one. I'll look at the menu. Oh, it's a pulling right here. You can see the Gen 2 dongle, the connection status, battery life, and the polling rate. Get up to 8,000 as usual, same as the V3 Pro, but I think they did a little bit of the tweaking in the DeathAdder 4 Pro. Yep, that's pretty much it for today, and I don't think there's really much comparing with the GPW that was out since like 2 or 3 years ago. I mean, it's a lot heavier comparing with the new series of the generation of mice in 2024 and 2025. Yep, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liking the video today. Like and subscribe.